Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 7. Name of the lesson is Gupta Age and Other Rulers. In the 3rd century of Christ, the impressive Gupta dynasty was established in Magad. The Gupta dynasty brought unprecedented prosperity to the people by establishing political entity, peace and security in India. Thus Gupta Age was known as the Golden Age of India. Next topic is Chandragupta first. Sri Gupta was the founder of Gupta dynasty in Magad. Chandragupta first came to the throne of Patliputra in 319 AD as the successor of Ghatotkacha. Chandragupta first married with the Lichachavi princess Kumaradevi from Vaishali Republic state. With the help of Lichachavi, Chandragupta first extended boundaries of Magad by conquering Prayagraj, that is Allahabad, and Saket, that is Ayodhya. So, Magad became a great state and Chandragupta first assumed the glorious title Maharajadhi Raj. Chandragupta first was the pioneer of Gupta Samvat. He first made beautiful and artistic coins of gold. Since the accession of his coronation, he started Gupta Samvat. The Vallabhi rulers of Saurashtra state also accepted the Gupta Samvat. Next topic is Emperor Samudragupta. After Chandragupta I, his son Samudragupta came to the throne of Magad. Information about the time of Samudragupta is obtained from the famous pillar inscription of Prayagraj, Prayag Prashasti, and his coins. He established his rule on the state of North India and South India with several quick victories. He was a great conqueror and a cultured emperor. He composed many poems and earned the title of Kaviraj. In his coins, he is seen playing the veena. It shows his love for music. The Prashasti of Samudragupta was composed by the poet Harisen. The victories and cultural achievements of Samudragupta have been described in it. Emperor Samudragupta performed the Ashwamedh Yagna. He was a lover of learning. He encouraged Hinduism. Many temples, Buddhist viharas, and Jain ashrayas were built during his rule. He was the creator of the real importance of the Gupta Empire. Gupta coins had begun from his time. During Samudragupta's rule, governors and officials were appointed to run the administration of the various states. Students, see 7.1 picture of coins of Gupta age. Now, next topic is Chandragupta II, Vikramaditya. Chandragupta II came to the throne after the death of Samudragupta. He was the most talented ruler of the Gupta dynasty. Chandragupta II defeated the Shaka Kshatrap dynasty king and adopted the title of Shakari. He was also called Vikramaditya. He started the Vikram Samvat. Chandragupta II increased his military power by establishing marital relation with powerful kingdoms. The rich territories of Gujarat and Saurashtra, the ports of Bharuch and Khambat were conquered by the Gupta Empire. As a result, maritime trade of the state was increased greatly. Therefore, the Gupta king became the owner of the intangible property. Chinese pilgrim Fahin came to India during the time of Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II followed the Vaishnav sect, but he had great respect for other religions. He built many Buddhist monasteries in Patliputra. The Gupta age could become the golden age because of many cultural achievements achieved during the reign of Chandragupta II. He patronized scholars and poets. His court was adorned with the 9 gems like the great poet Kalidasa, scientist Varamihir, Vaital Bhatt, Royal Vaidya, Dhanvantri, Amarsinha, etc. He made Ujjain city the second capital of the Magad Empire. During the time of Chandragupta II, sculptures, architecture, and art drawing were beautifully developed. Many of the Ajanta caves or pavilions were built during his time. The iron pillar at Mehroli near Delhi was established during his time. This iron pillar has not yet rusted despite being in heat and rain. Chandragupta II died in 414 AD. Now children, you can see 7.3 picture of Mehroli iron pillar. Now I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.